Okay guys, we got a 2005 here. It's a Chevy Colorado with a 3.5. So you're using your windows. All of your windows work except the drivers. The drivers does not work. It's the only one. There's one circuit on this that is separate from all the others. Let me show you where that's at. So what you're gonna do is open up your fuse box here. And that fuse right there, that's a 20 amp, says DR lock, that is your door lock. Now this one's not blown, it's actually missing. So let's grab a fuse and pop it in there. Let's see those. So I got a 20 amp here. We're gonna stick it in its home right there for DR lock. Go over here. Now your window works. And you'll notice whenever it didn't work that your door lock didn't work either. That's how you fix it. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always guys, enjoy.